Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you can't make this change at the moment. So guys, when you have opened your Facebook account and want to disable or enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account and facing this issue, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to go back, and guys after going to back, simply you have to open your app store, and guys you need to check for update. So guys, maybe there is problem of update problem on your Facebook. So guys, simply you need to open your app store if you're using iPhone, and if you're using Android phone you have to open your Play Store and guys search here Facebook, and you need to check for update. So guys, if your app is not updated, simply you have to update your app first, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, simply after this you have to open your settings, scroll it below, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and guys after this you have to open your Facebook. And guys, you need to offload your app if you have remembered your login. And guys, after offloading you need to reinstall again and log in again your Facebook. And guys, after this you need to try this step again, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe there is security issue. So guys, simply you have to open your Facebook account, click on your main profile icon, click on settings, and guys after this you have to click on here the option of account center. So guys, you have to click on this tab, and guys you will find this type of interface here. So guys, simply you have to click on password and security, and guys from here simply here the option where you are logged in. When you have click on this, so guys you need to check your Facebook account in which devices you have logged in your Facebook. So guys, simply you have to remove your Facebook account from all the devices, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, simply if your email is not verified, simply you have to verify your email address first. And guys after this, when you have click on two-factor authentication, and guys when you have enabled or disabled your two-factor authentication, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.